Hello everyone and welcome to the Phenomenal Phive. I hope you enjoyed that little intro. The other day, sitting watching some YouTube videos, and Brutus came up and just put his head on top of my head, so I had to get it on film and thought I'd share it with you all. If you haven't been here before, I'm Larry, and that was Brutus. I know I haven't put a video out in a little over a month. It was just that there was really no new information to provide to you guys about my advancement on getting this started. So I wasn't just going to put out a video to be putting out a video. Sorry, I'm doing my thing again. Sorry, Brutus is over here wanting attention. Let's see, where was I at there? Okay. But last week, one of my co-workers, who actually subscribes to the channel, and asked me if, with everything that's going on in the world right now, has my plans changed. Really, the good thing to say is that because I haven't actually purchased the rig yet. Stay down, stay down. Oh, yes, I love you too. No, careful. Okay, be there. Yeah, just since I haven't purchased the rig yet, I'm not ready to hit the road. So the situation has not affected me at this point regarding the, come on, stop it, about getting on the road. Here in Missouri, we do not have a stay-at-home or what's it called, stay-in-place order as of yet, so don't have anything to do with that. Just got back from the pharmacy, only allowing 2 people in the store at a time, so we stood outside and waited. But other than, little things like that, it's not a big deal. Can cope fairly easy. But anyway, working on getting started with my job. I know I've been saying that for a while, and the hold up is me just not feeling comfortable yet. Never done sales before, so that's going to just me buckling down and doing it. So hopefully I'll get the nerve and do it soon. Okay, Brutus. Yes, that's you on TV. But once that gets going, then we'll go. Come on, down. One of the changes is, I know my goal was to do this by July 4th, Independence Day being my day of independence as well. That was my goal. That is really unrealistic at this point. No, Brutus. No. Come lay down. So, don't have a new date set. Sorry, he's bumping the desk. Oh, God, Brutus. Okay, we'll back up so you stop bumping the desk. Yes, you just don't get enough loving, do you? Yeah, you just don't get enough loving. Come on, you're blocking. Okay? No, I know. Come on, down. Come on, down. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, that was just a big old close-up. So, get started on that. I'm hoping at this point of rethinking some things around it. I may look at if I start making enough with the insurance company that I will start. Now, you guys can't bump the desk. Be able to get a loan, buy the RV, buy the truck, get moved into it, and then put the house up for sale. That's still something I'm thinking about, and haven't decided exactly how we're going to do that. Because if I sell the house and then buy the trailer, I would probably have to move back in with one of my brothers for a short time, and I really don't want to do that. I love my brothers dearly, but I don't want to live with them again. So we're going to be thinking on that, working through that part of it. But that's it. I hope everyone is safe, everyone stays healthy. I'm wishing everyone the best, and we will catch you down the road. Thank you very much. And oh, don't forget, subscribe, like, comment. You'll have some links for other videos coming up. Also, you can check out my Star Trek Online walkthrough channel if you're interested in the game. Haven't posted on there in a while either, but I'll hopefully get to that soon. Everyone enjoy and have a wonderful, wonderful life.